Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to ChatGPT Pro. So first open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile menu in the bottom left corner and click on it. So here, look for upgrade plan and you can click on that to upgrade your plan. Next, you can also click this upgrade button in the bottom left corner to upgrade the plan. Now once you're here, so at the top, you can see personal and business plan. So let's focus on personal. So under personal, you have ChatGPT Go, ChatGPT Plus, and ChatGPT Pro. So select Pro or upgrade to Pro. So let's click on it. And you'll be taken to the subscription screen. So here at the top, you can choose your plan details. So here you have 5 times more usage than Plus or 20 times more usage than Plus, which is more expensive. So choose your plan, then scroll down and you can input your card details like expiration date, card number, and CVC. You can also check this box right here to save payment details. You don't have to fill in when you subscribe or when you change your plan later on.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Now, once you put in all the information, what you can do is click subscribe to proceed to the monthly subscription. So at the moment, ChatGPT offers 2 pro tiers. You have $100 per month and $200 per month. So both include the core pro features, while the main differences is the amount of usage available. So after selecting your preferred plan, so click subscribe and proceed to your subscription. And that's how you can upgrade to ChatGPT Pro. Thank you for watching.